and pass this catheter. Nora, pass the catheter. Then in this step,
I received cases where a woman would come on a stretcher, really bleeding out, and literally when she looks at you, she's actually asking for your help, asking you to save her life. For the system, that is one of the biggest challenges. Availability of blood products, making sure the right tools like calibrated drapes that we are using now are available, the right medications. What would really make a difference is ownership at all levels. Using evidence-based practices, doing the best we can, having a team that's dedicated and effective. I saw women like that walking out of the hospital eventually smiling and thanking us with real gratitude.